Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Hormel from the Agrisenso Social Media Solutions. And for today's video, we will discuss a tutorial video on how to create a poster template on Canva application. Let's go! First, let me share my screen. So I'm sharing my screen and I saw that I have 3 more postings in my social media content calendar. So I need to create a poster template about three topics about video editing and the importance of video editing. So this is my past post about agriculture, my niche. So for today's video, this is my okay. Let's make a copy, duplicate. First, so I'll just explain my template. I recommend guys, as a social media manager, we need to create these templates for us to be more beneficial, for us to be more efficient in our works. It is a time time saver, I think life saver, because it makes my work very easy. First, let me just explain my template. This is my logo, the Agrisenso Social Media Solutions. Yes. Okay. Then this is here the title and our brand kit. So here, let me explain that we have our name, email address, the portfolio link or website channel, and different logos of our social media wherein you can find us. And this is the call to action button, which is join now or follow us, like that. So okay, we will first replace the title. Social media. Okay. When you think of this, what are the thoughts that comes into your mind? I think this one is perfect. What I love Canva about Canva is its feature like background remover. This is what I love about Canva. What I love about. Sorry. Not to discredit other photo editor, but oh my gosh. Canva as a social media manager, 10 out of 10. So, okay. Kilig yarn. Okay, we'll put this here. And this one. It's perfect. Let's just resize it. So we have our borders now. Yeah. Yeah. This one, I think this is perfect. Oh, nice. The border looks so bagay in the, even if it's one picture, the borders and other details in the poster can catch attention too. It's a very good reminder for us. I think for this one, it's enough. we do not need so many details in one post. It's okay, it's enough. 1 to 2, like that. Okay. Next will be, and this you can just next page the other one. So in that sequence, I just duplicate page here, duplicate page, and wait. Next topic, Flipchamp, video editing platforms. Okay. What will be our main video editing platforms? This is another green flag for Canva. If you're running out of ideas, their elements are so many, so you just need to browse. I think this one is a better. It's taking time for oh, sometimes we do not need background remover. And our next problem will be the background and how will it connect to the main post. I think we can retain this one for this post. It's nice, huh? And I found this web. See? Nice, diba? Okay. Down to our last poster. So, what will be the title? Importance of video. Creating videos in our social media channels can create impact on our postings. Because unique postings are easily noticed by our followers. So as a freelancer in a world full of freelancers, we need to vary our techniques to create impacts on our clients. That's what I noticed about our training. That's why we have our competitor research, prospecting clients, like that. And for sure, in the next videos, we will discuss about that. So going back to our last, so we decided we will retain this thing in our video platforms. We do not have a dull space in our posters. This one. very nice. Ayan, perfect. So we will create delete the excess. So here's our finished product. Wait, let me present. Can you present? Ayan. Can you rate my poster design in the comment section below? Suggestions for next videos are highly welcome. Okay, so in Canva, we will download that as a PNG. Guys, have you enjoyed my video tutorial on how to use Canva as a proposal template in my social media postings? So thank you all for watching my video tutorial today. And guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell there to get more updates from me. Bye.